There's a site out there that you've never heard about before that can earn you thousands of dollars in pure passive income. You just have to do an hour's worth of work, then you can go out with friends, watch movies, go on vacation, all the while earning money in the process. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future content to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today I have a fantastic strategy for you guys that I know you will love. It involves a site you probably have never heard of before called gearbest.com. This is a platform similar to the likes of Amazon, eBay, and others, in that you can find a bunch of products on here that range from watches to cell phones to laptops and so on. Now, I know what you might be thinking, which is that we will be selling stuff, but that's absolutely not the case. Albeit that wouldn't be a bad idea, while still not what this strategy is about. So with that said, what is it about? Well, we will be promoting products on here as an affiliate. And keep watching because I will show you that this website has literally insane commissions, which is also the reason we are using it instead of Amazon, for example. Promoting products on here as affiliates pays off way more. Anyhow, what you need to do on this page is scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to find and click on Partnership Programs, located right over here. On the next page, you want to scroll down just a bit until you come across this section where you will need to click on Start Earning Now. And it's on this very page where you will see why I picked this site over Amazon and others like it. It offers up to 50% commissions, which is just mind-blowing. If you come over to Amazon, you will see that at most it will offer you 10% commissions, and only for certain products, while the lowest commission rate is literally just 1%. So, as you can see, the difference is enormous, which is why GearBest is so much more worthwhile for you to promote as an affiliate. Moreover, if you come over to similarweb.com, you will see that it got 19 million visits in the past month, which shows that while it's less popular than Amazon, it still gets millions of visits. Now, with that bit of info out of the way, let me show you what you need to do on GearBest. In order to sign up as an affiliate, simply click on Join Now right here. On the next page, you will just have to enter in basic stuff such as your email, password, and other info, and click on Continue. From there, you'll have to enter in a bit more information about yourself before you can start working as an affiliate. Now, once you create your account, it's time for me to show you precisely what types of products you want to promote. And security cameras are one of the best ones out there. And I will show you that getting traffic to any affiliate link of a security camera is much easier than it is for some other products, which is why you want to focus on them, while perhaps promoting some other products alongside them. Now, with that said, you will want to promote cameras that have two things: great ratings with at least 30 reviews or more, and a good price for both you and the customers. You generally want to look for cameras in the $20 to $60 range. To filter by that price, what you need to do is type in the minimum price here and the maximum one here, or you can choose one of these price ranges above. In any case, you now want to find cameras that fit your criteria, and I have found several that do. This one here and this one here. The first camera I showed you costs $30 and has a rating of nearly 4.7 stars with over 100 reviews, while the second one I showed you is slightly more expensive at $60 with a rating of 4.8 stars and over 100 reviews as well. Now, you will want to find at least 3 cameras that fit your criteria and make sure they all have varying prices. So you can choose one that costs $20, another that costs $40, and a third one that costs $60, for example. You want to do this so you are promoting cameras to a larger group of people who might buy, since if you are just promoting expensive cameras, you can't expect a decent number of sales. While promoting just cheap ones won't result in much profit. Promoting both, meanwhile, will allow you to maximize your profits. Anyhow, once you grab your affiliate links for all the cameras, it's time for me to show you a traffic source and examples of people who are doing the exact same thing as proof that this is actually a legitimate way to make money online, as I promised you in the beginning. The traffic source in question, guys, is YouTube. Now, I have 2 methods with which you can use YouTube in order to get traffic to your affiliate links. a more effective one that requires equipment like a camera and/or microphone, and one that isn't as effective but can nevertheless get you paid quite decently. Anyhow, the reason you want to use YouTube to get traffic and why we are even promoting cameras in the first place is the same. People making videos doing reviews on security cameras get hundreds of thousands of views, and the best part is that there are not that many people doing this, so you won't have to deal with competition, which of course means that you can earn more money promoting the cameras. And believe it or not, guys, literally every single one of these videos contains affiliate links in their description to the cameras portrayed and mentioned in the video. For example, this video here has 2.5 million views and is called 5 Best Home Security Cameras of 2021. Now, take a look at this. If you open up the description, you will find Amazon affiliate links to all of the cameras shown in the video. And when one of the 2.5 million people who have viewed this video clicks on one of those links and buys the camera in question, the creator of this video will earn at least $20 without lifting a finger since creating the actual video. So, as you can see, this has enormous potential, and this video isn't the exception. This video here, for example, has nearly 300,000 views, and once again, if you come over to the description, you will see the Amazon affiliate links to all of the cameras mentioned in the video. Here is yet another video I found, and it's the exact same thing. We have affiliate links in the description. So, as you've just witnessed, most, if not all, videos of people doing reviews on cameras have affiliate links in the description, and all of them have hundreds of thousands of views. If you filter by the date of the upload, you will also see that it's not just old review videos with many views. This person uploaded this review just 3 months ago and already has over 100,000 views just like that. Anyways, the point of this is that all of the people I've shown you have earned quite a bit of money by now. And remember that they are also earning money from ad revenue too, so not just affiliate commissions. However, they are all missing out because Amazon doesn't offer good affiliate commissions. They're downright awful, while GearBest is the complete opposite and offers great commissions, which of course means that you will earn at least 5 times as much money from a single customer than if you were promoting a camera on Amazon. And just think about it for a second. If 500,000 people view your video, like is the case with this one, and let's be conservative and say the cameras you are promoting all cost $30, if just 0.1% of them actually buy a camera from your affiliate link, which is 500 people in this case, that means you would have made $7,500 just like that in passive income. And remember, this is just from a single video. Now, with that being said, doing it this way isn't easy nor free. First off, you have to do research on the cameras you're promoting, share their pros and cons with the audience, and you also have to create the actual video. All of this takes some time, but I can promise you that it will pay off as it has for some of these people. You just have to upload like 5 to 10 videos in total, and you can literally rest from there while you earn money in passive income. Now, if you don't have any equipment, then you can't create these kinds of videos. And if you're camera shy, then having the equipment makes no difference either. So this does have its fair share of flaws, definitely. And a side note, in case you do have a microphone but not a camera, you can create videos without showing your face. And there are people doing just that and earning some decent money, like this person here I showed you a while ago. However it may be, if you either don't want to or simply don't have the equipment and skills to create these kind of videos, what you can do is re-upload videos from other people. Now, this will not allow you to get monetized, but the affiliate marketing is the main source of income anyway. What you want to do is search for security camera compilations, and then click on filters here, and then select Creative Commons. This will now display videos that you can download and re-upload as your own. And you can still leave affiliate links to security cameras shown in the video. What you want to do in order to download a video is open it up, then copy the link of the video and come over to Google and type it in YouTube to MP3 and open up any one of these sites. Then just paste the link in there and download it to your PC, after which you will upload it to your own channel. Now, as I said, this isn't nearly as effective as the first method. What you can do is earn a bit of money so you can buy a microphone and a decent camera. By the way, it doesn't have to be anything fancy since you're just starting out. Anyhow, the point is that I would recommend you only do it this way if you don't have any equipment, nor the money to purchase it. So you can earn some money in this fashion and then invest it so you can actually start making the videos yourself to earn far more money. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.